Our video is ready. It is time to publish it on YouTube. Before we go ahead, we need to create our video thumbnail. To do that, head over to Canva or any design tool of choice. Just to use the size of a YouTube thumbnail, upload the images you want to use, and then go ahead to add a text box and type in "can be productive." Watch this. We are going to keep it simple, similar to our reference channel. Once the thumbnail is ready, download the image, head back. To create our channel, the first thing to do is to create a Gmail account if you don't already have one. Then sign into YouTube and your account will be essentially empty. Click on the icon and select Create Channel. But if you already have an existing channel, as you can see here, just click on the icon, then switch account, click on View Channels, then click on Create a Channel. You'll be required to input a channel name. This is where our first AI tool comes in. Video, upload your thumbnail. For the video title, we'll be using this. For title optimization, description, and tag, we will be using a VidIQ. I have the Chrome extension installed. So once I type in my title, I can click on this button and get multiple recommendations I can choose from. Before we add our description, let's get the tags for this video. Head over to the reference video, and you can also use a VidIQ to view and copy the tags the video is ranking for. Copy and paste it in the tag section. Once you do that, underneath the description box, you will see recommended tags. Click to add the appropriate ones and then click on generate. It will create multiple descriptions you can select from. Click to add and add other information you need people to know about. Then go ahead and follow the next steps. It is easy, and then set it to private and save. When you are ready for the video to go live, you can switch to public and save, and the video will be live. Before we dive into how you can make